big men ng Pampanga basketball. Jerimer. Double team. Gets it out to Matias. Yes!
Is sending the attack going to the baseline. And that's
Na-unload to Matias.
great ball movement.
Nice fake. Matias, the stick back. What?
Oo.
Archie Concepcion. Here's Archie. Scores plus the foul.
And that one, I think that's one thing.
Jerimer. Goes to Gabi Espinas. Taken away by Archie Concepcion. Concepcion, 2 points. Nigo.
And both teams defending very well, actually.
Here's Matias. Lumapit. Extra pass. Oh! Ang ganda ng paglipat ni Gabi. 8-7 ang ating score. Archie Concepcion. Inside they go. Baltasar, no good. Second try. You know, marami na tayo nakitang pagsubok dito eh.
Oo, kaso lahat ng sinubukan siya, nag-best player siya eh.
Oh! Justin Baltasar!
Yeah.
Para sa ating Suzuki play of the game. Baltasar beats Manlangit to down on Manlangit.
Good pass.
Lervin.
Almost a walk.
Umatake. Lervin Flores gets the 2 points.
Mo nag-abot ito sa FEU. Tatlo sila. Paul Sangas del.
Josh Flores. Instant offense para kay Josh Flores. But ayaw niyang mahiyato tumira eh.
Oo.
MJ Garcia with the offensive rebound. No good. Another opportunity. Jamo with a one-hander.
Yeah, it's really the length.
Liu. Manlangit for 3. That's good. In this ball game, 14.3 seconds remaining in the first quarter. Raymond Binuya. Binigay kay Renz Alcoriza. Puts the ball on the deck. Umatake si Renz. Layup wala. They have time here. Josh Flores will get the 2 points. End of one. His first quarter scores brought to you by GameX Sports. Second quarter. Binigay kay Binuya. Using the pick from Balti. Balti pulls up. That's good.
Money.
Confronting him inside. Ramirez gets the roll.
Oh, and don't beat this.
Trying to find Magat. There's a steal for Pampanga. Concepcion to Alcoriza. Well defended. Recovered.
Shot that at 5.
Cabanag for 3. Yes.
Yeah, just lucky.
Joko. Jumper. Yes. Concepcion. Umatake. Yes, sir.
And
Concepcion. Garcia. Corner. Yes. Coaching staff as we head into the break. This halftime score. Sanga. Cabanag. Just snuck behind Baltasar and he lays it in for 2.
What a play by Achi.
And inside, Lervin Flores. Sanga knocks down the jumper.
Oo, pero kailangan nilang makakonvert.
Sanga, yes,
Yan.
sir! Sanga, free, 3. Achi for 3 to tie. Wala. Inigo in the lane. Yes! Here, ang pagtimon niya sa Caloocan in this ball game.
Oh, and great call also from Coach Alex Angeles na to convert.
MJ Garcia gets it to Jamo Eguilos. The one-hander, he'll get the bounce.
And just like that. Ilang kay Baltasar na tumira sila eh.
Manlangit knocks down the 3.
Wala pa rin.
Still no good. Concepcion, binigay kay MJ Garcia. Viernes, another 3.
There you go. Twice already, pero did not hesitate yung pangatlo.
JJ Manlangit eating up sa ating third, 47 to 44. 8 points para kay JJ. Archie Concepcion says too strong. Agawan sa rebound, Justin Baltasar. Concepcion.
Just to
Ball ending partner of the MPBL. Basta ending, Game X.
She will ask you again.
Sa totoo lang, kailangan ko lang nakasama mamaya pa uwi. So Jeff Viernes knocks down the 3. And Caloocan win against Viernes. Rail off
There
the
you
glass
go.
and in.
And if there's one guy that they need to get do sa home court nila, kasi most of the time they're so used to playing in their home turf against big teams. So iba yung istorya.
Yeah.
Diba? Iba yung dayo kasi.
And if you're playing at home as well, different story din yan. Extra pass, Flores, no good. Cervantes thought about it. Hiruta, he'll fire.
There you go.
Knock down the 3. Baltasar back to Viernes. Yes. Sanga loses the handle. Igilos ahead to Concepcion. Archie, 2 points.
Oo. Again, be careful.
Sanga knocks down the 3. Lead of
4-0 run for Caloocan.
Concepcion answers right back. Jeff Viernes now with MJ.
Oo.
Here's Jeff. Moving well without the basketball.
Plus
Jeff
a basket.
Viernes. Matutuwa si
The game is so fast. So they need some yung talagang yung lineup mo kailangan maka-match up
56 ang ating score.
kasi alam mo ang magiging point of attack talaga is still Justin Baltasar.
Jeff Viernes ginaganahan pa dito sa dulo.
Yung mga young players ng Giant Lanterns. Kasi ang hirap nun.
There's a similarity here with the way, yeah. That dunk will not count for Archie Concepcion. Time already expired. Partner of the MPBL. Basta ending, Game X. Let's go to Javi.
Thank you so much, Adel. Kasama ko ang ating Manny Pacquiao sa MPBL.